You want to learn how to find your ex friends on BlueSky. In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So in order to do this, we need a Chrome extension plugin called Sky Follower Bridge. This is the link. I'll put it in the description so you can get to this page and then add to Chrome. I currently have it added to Chrome. Once you have added it to Chrome, you will see it here on your extensions tab. Now go to X and go to your profile, go to following or followers. Wherever there is a list of X users, open it up, and on here, press on your keyboard Alt plus B. It is going to open up this thing, which is called Sky Follower Bridge, and it's asking for authentication. So you need to enter in your handle or email from BlueSky, and once done, below it, we have password. We recommend using the app password. Click on this, and it's going to take you over to this page, which is bsky.app settings app passwords. Now on here, we need to create an app password. So I'm going to click on this and type in something here. Anything, it doesn't matter, just make it a random one and then click on next. Now you will get this app password here, copy it and save it somewhere safe because you're not going to get it again once you click on done. So let's copy this, go back here and Alt plus B. Now my handle is mydomain.com. If you want to learn how to do this, I have a playlist on my channel, video on this, so you can check it out. Now below this, we have password. I'm going to paste it here. Now click on find BlueSky users. Now it's going to scan X users to find BlueSky users. And if at any point of time you want to stop this and view the results, you can just click on this, stop scanning and view results. It's currently have scanned like 7 users. So let's check it out. When you click on it, it opens up this page. And as you can see, it keeps searching more and more of these users. On here, you can follow them one by one, or on the left, you can click on follow all, which is going to follow all of them to your BlueSky account. Most of the users that it has found, you can see the images, so it has found it perfectly. But as it says, user detection is not perfect and may include false positives. So you need to be sure of that when adding them. And that is it. This is how to find your ex friends on BlueSky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.